Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move automatically emails to labels in Gmail. You can automatically move any emails, particulars, emails from when you receive particular emails. It will be automatically move in particulars mails. For that, you have to create rules or filters. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. If you guys really like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe me. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my Gmail account, you can see, and here if you want to say in Google email, this is my Google update email. Okay, so if you want to, this is email account. Okay, this is okay, so this particular email from Google, and I want to make it or automatically move in particular labels or folder. So what should I do? I just open the any emails that you want to move. So in my case, I just want to emails from this email ID from Google. Just copy it and just click on this three dot option and click on filter message like this. Okay, and here you can see the email will automatically copy here. If you not, you just paste it. You can filter more here, like if you want to include any words, if you want to make it it has should be attachment or greater than or less than, mail. So in my case, just forward or move all emails from this email id in particular labels. So just need to create filter, and here you have to skip from inbox. Also apply for the existing conversation that already has in inbox. Now choose labels or folder from here. Okay, so from here you have to choose labels. Okay, if you don't have labels, or just create from here new labels. In my case, just create Google updates and create it, and it will be select automatically. And just now you have to create filter. So when you go now to Google update, you can see all mails has been moved here. Okay, and in future, if you get emails from this particular email id, you will the all emails will be filtered, will be moved in this labels or folder automatically. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.